ECA started 70 years ago. It's founded by the former owner Paul Christian and always worked in automotive. ECA is now consisting of 3 companies, all working for automotive. Verco is making car carpets and interiors for trucks. I'm Kelly is working for high-end cars, meaning Aston Martin, Bentley, Jaguar Land Rover. And we are making carpets here in Belgium, carpets at one end, and doing reupholstery of cars in leather, and also working for OE, making inserts of car seats. OEMs are more demanding than before. It is also based on what the final customer is demanding. So to be able to be flexible, you need also flexible solutions. Before working with Lectra, we were using die presses. With die cutting, every time that you have a new model, you need to make or buy new knives. That's one cost. Secondly, our die presses were, when we were doing the nesting, we did that manually. And then you see a person cannot nest the knives in such an efficient way as a computer can do. So between dies and the first Lectra solution, there we saw an improvement of 10%. Between the CLS and the Versalis, we have seen the first result was between 4 and 6%. And after consulting, it went up to between 8 and 10%. So the material we are using in a better way. When we were using the dies, then we were at 60% of efficiency of heights. Now we increased that to 70 to 80%. On the manpower side, we see that with the same personnel, we have a higher output with the Versalis than in comparison with the CLS machines. So we are moving from labor-intensive work to capital-intensive work.
There are benefits right on the machine. For example, better cutting quality. Because of that, we can cut the parts next to each other without any buffer. The consulting that we did made it possible to get the maximum out of the machine and drive the results to a higher level.
Most of the benefits that we had were on the level that we can, first of all, cut with less material, so that we are using the heights on the leather in a more efficient way. If we don't trust our supplier, we will never buy. Simple.